Kara saçın geldiler kara keçiye telfineler. Kara saçın geldiler kara keçiye telfineler. Eksi tanda gülüp kalbi gitiden gülüner. Eksi tanda gülüp kalbi gitiden gülüner. Vay benim mazlum benim sen mağmur meşap. Vay benim nazım benim senden bileke yok benim. Sen idim canan çinemde kan idim. Göz işim yaprak çiçek nazarlıdım nesildine. Göz işim yaprak çiçek nazarlıdım nesildine. Vay benim nazım benim sen bana meşap. Vay benim nazım benim senden bileke yok benim.
Welcome to Iven's channel. This is Jenna, and right now we are at cphi exhibition, and just like previous years, the venue is packed with enthusiastic visitors and some industry professionals. And but this year, different from the last year, we have some special performance, and this year we also brought 7 pieces of equipment on display. For example, we have the visual inspection and the leak detection machine, which can ensure the quality of the products. And we also have the BFS, the machine. One way we pack the pharmaceuticals. And we also have the VHP pass-through box, which can ensure the sterile environment of the material. And we also have the fermentation system, the heart of the biopharmaceutical products. And over there, it's a vertical bottle washing machine, so it can keep the cleanliness of the products. And you can see over there, it's a screw power. It's a power filling machine. Yeah, it can ensure the accuracy of the filling. And the last one is a GMP cleaning and drying machine. Yes, we're so excited to be here to welcome you to visit our booth. Our booth is at at N2D10. Please stop by and say hello. We have special performance, so when you stop by, you can enjoy our performance. Because we want our customer have a more enjoyable experience while they are exploring our innovative solutions. Okay, for those of you who may be new to our company, I would like to have a brief introduction about our company. Our company, Shanghai Iven Pharmaceutical Engineering Cooperative Limited, is founded in 2005, and we are proud to be the pioneer supplier of integrated engineer solution to customers around the globe. Because different customers have different requirements about the pharmaceutical or medical products or the turnkey project. Our solution can be customized, and except that, our solution is fully compliant with GMP standard, EU GMP standard, WHO GMP standard, and USA FDA standard, etc. And we also have 4 factories. They are pharmaceutical equipment factory, medical equipment factory, auto packing system factory, water treatment factories. Yes, and beyond the customized project design, our dedication to the high quality products and the professional service is that keeps us, our customer, coming back. And for the turnkey projects, until now we have offered over 45 turnkey projects to our customers worldwide, and we also gain high praise from them. Yes. Okay, maybe we can see our machine. I'm so excited to show what we have today. The first one is the BFS machine. BFS machine, actually BFS machine is one of the best seller products of our best seller products. And BFS is an advanced aseptic system to fill the solution into PE or PP plus bottles, which is under the control system. BFS is widely used for pharmaceutical products. For example, the eye drops we used, and the small volume injection products, or the big volume injection products, etc. It can also be used for some beverage products or cosmetic products if the customer has a high requirement about the machine. For this one, for this BFS machine, its capacity is based on 1 milliliter. Its capacity can reach to 3,000 pieces per hour, and for 10,000, its capacity can reach to 1,500 pieces per hour. For different volumes, for example, they are maybe 5 ml, 10 ml. The BFS can be applied to different size. It the size can be from 1 milliliter to 500 milliliters, and its production capacity range is from 3,000 to 12,000 pieces per hour. And for this one, you can see this. This is one finished product of BFS. For some products, for example, 5 ml and 10 ml, if you have the same diameter, you can use different mode to produce the production line. You just need to short the length of it. Yes. You can see the operation of the BFS machine. Maybe we can take a closer look at it. For this BFS machine, it only equipped with a chiller and a compressor. Yes, you can open it. We can have a close look at it. And for the waste material, we can reuse some of them, so you can reduce the cost of material. You can see this is a single row. This is 7 in one group. We also have some mood. For example, 5 in one group. You can produce the 7 or 5 at once. The next one. This one is integrated visual inspection and leakage detection machine. For this machine, it can apply to different products. For example, the ampoule or the vial or some oral liquids. And for this one, its capacity is 500 pieces per minute. We also have high-speed production capacities. For example, 800 pieces per minute and 600 pieces per minute. They all can be achieved. For this one, for some customers, maybe they need to detect different atoms of the finished products. We can use the machine to detect some small particles inside the solution, or we can detect the top or the shape of the top of a scratch on the wall, or some glass fragment, some hair, or some white masses. They all can be detected. If a customer wants to detect other atoms, for example, they want to detect the carbonization of the bottle, because for ampoule, because because it's process, we need to detect if the glass is completely sealed. So if the customer wants to detect, inspect or detect the carbonization, the black spots on the ampoule, it also can be achieved. For this machine, it can be applied to different sizes. For example, it can apply to 1 milliliter to 20 milliliter. And for this part, it mainly focused on the inspection, the visual inspection. And for this part, it mainly focused on the leak detection. This is a leak detection. Okay, let's see how it works. Come 吗？ The bottles, you can see, we put the finished products, the vials or the ampoules on the belt. The belt will transfer the vials to the next station, the auger, the feeding auger. You can see that. We adjust the diameter of the auger, so the big auger can ensure the transporting of the products more stable. The ampoule or vials can transport more stably. And after that, the ampoules will be transferred to the next station. At the entrance, there are totally 5 cameras to detect the ampoule. And there are top 3. They can detect the top of the ampoule or the caps or the stopper of the finished products. And under, there are 2 cameras. The 2 cameras can detect the bottom. And after that, the servo motor will transfer the ampoule into this station. This station is dynamic, but this station is static. This static system is used for inspect the appearance, and this part is mainly inspect the particles inside or the scratch on the wall. The servo motor will drive the ampoule to this station at a high speed. When they arrived at the station, the servo motor brakes. It stops. So due to the inertia, the ampoule products or the vial products will rotate at a high speed. And the rotator will drop the small liquid down to the bottles, inside the bottles. And simultaneously, the camera inside, there are 4 groups camera inside the round table. There are totally 12 cameras. Each group has 3 cameras. They will follow the ampoule products or the vial products to take the photos, and then they will transfer the photos to the control system, and the control system will perform the analysis the pictures of the bottles to identify if the bottle is good or not. After that, they will be transferred to the next station, but the information also already sent to the control system. You can see the cameras. There are 12 cameras inside there. Yes, there are 12 cameras inside, and this is a light to make sure the pictures are clear. This is a side light, and downstairs there are also light to give the light to the ampoules or the vials. The underside is over there. Okay, go this way. This is the underside. This is the underline, and you can see the camera clearly here. This is the line here. There are also three groups light here. So it can give the light, side light and the bottom light can make the photos more clear. So it will ensure the quality of the finished products. This part, after that one is the leakage detection station. Maybe we can go this side. This is leakage detection station. The leakage detection station, it adopts high voltage electricity discharge detection. So when there are scratches or some small cracks on the ampule bottles or vial bottles, it will give a totally different current. So the control system will identify the qualified one products or the unqualified one products. You can see there are 4 stations. You can take a closer look at it. For these 4 stations, they have different functions, 1 and 2 and 3. Yes, you can see their stations, they are different, right? Because for this one, it will detect the top of the ampule. For this one, maybe it will detect the neck of the ampule products. For this one, it will detect the body. And this one, it will detect the bottom. So after the 4 station detection, it will give a feedback to the control system. So the control system will identify which one is the qualified products and which one is unqualified one. And the unqualified one will be rejected. And for the rejected one, it will be counted. So you can know the quality rate of your products. This is the finished products. Yeah, this is the finished products. Yeah. After that, if our customer need some labeling machine, we can also offer the labeling machine and the blister packing machine for vial and ampule, and even the cartoning machine. You just need to send us your requirements. And next machine is our vertical washing machine. Over here. Maybe you can have a look at this machine. This machine is a fermentation tanks. This one is a C tank. Its capacity is 15 liters. 15 liters, and this one is another tank. After the C tank, it will be transferred by the compressed air to this tank. This tank is 100 liters. Thank you. This is the vertical bottle washing machine. For this machine, it can apply to different products. For example, the vial and the vial products or the ampule products, and it can be applied to different products. For example, some syrups, some vial products, and it also can apply to different capacities, different sizes. For example, it can apply to 10 ml to 100 ml, but the capacity will be vary depend on the filling volumes, depend on the sizes. If the products or if the bottles you have, they have different diameters, we need to know what's the diameter of it, because for this part you can see different manipulators to grab the bottlenecks. If you have different diameter of the products, we need to know so we can adjust the number of the manipulator, because too many manipulator will make mistake. Different diameters will need different numbers of the manipulator. And for these products, it will, for this is the washing tank. The bottles are mainly washed here. So it first it will use the feeding auger transfer the bottles into this box, and in this tank it will be washed by water and the ultrasonic. The ultrasonic washing, the water washing, can ensure the dust which is attached inside or outside the bottle be cleaned. So this is the first washing. After that, the bottles will be washed by the compressed air, the injection water, and the clean water, so it can keep the cleanness of the bottle. You can see this nozzle. For this nozzle, because the bottles will be grabbed like this, so the nozzle will go inside the bottles, and for this part it has positioning functions, so it can make sure the nozzles go inside the tubes accurately, and it will prevent the bottles from some frictions. Okay, for this part you can see there are two lines. When you put the products here, when the light is on, the light will give the light will give some light to the finished products, and it will show you which one has some small cracks on it. Yeah, it is similar to a pre-inspection, just like visual inspection. It is a little similar to the pre-inspection. Okay, these are the totally three machines, but we also have other machines. I'm so excited to have you today, and I really wanted to introduce all of our machines, but now we have a special performance for you. Maybe you can enjoy for a little while. Yes, you can enjoy the music for a little while.